Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Andra with you again today. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for stopping by. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, you are highly welcome, loves. Mwah. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to get my videos as soon as I upload. Wow, today I'll be sharing with you guys on how to make custard powder. Yes, custard powder. So to be making this recipe, I have milk flavor here, powdered milk flavor. Take note, flavor, right? And I have two different types of flavors here. I have banana and vanilla flavors here. Then thirdly, I have egg yolk color. All right, it's called egg yolk color. So this is the color that gives the custard that appetizing, you know, that look. And finally, I have corn flour here. Yes, corn flour. So let's get into the preparation proper, guys. So I've already sifted the corn flour. So I'll be adding the milk flavor, um, vanilla and banana flavors, then the egg yolk color, and we give it a very good mix. You have to give it a good mix. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Just give it a good mix. Yes, very good mix. Make sure you give it a good mix. I'm serious about it. Wow, the whole house smells good. This flavor is ah the whole house. Man, the flavor, eh? Wow, the flavor is wow. So you keep stirring, you keep stirring, you keep stirring, you keep mixing and mixing and mixing. So it's just mixing up, you know, the ingredients, and you have your homemade custard, right? And I discovered most people, enjoy custard even to than pap, as in the ordinary pap. Hmm. I don't know whether it's because it has, flavors and all that, But this custard is good. It's good. You need to try it out, guys. You need to try it out. You can just make it yourself and enjoy it. You can also add enough milk if you want to make it um milk custard, right? You can also add enough milk to make it milk custard. So like I said, give it a very good stir. It needs a very good mix. Wow, my children, my kids prefer custard to pap. I don't know why, but this custard is good. Honestly, this is the flavor is nice flavor and taste. Honestly, wow, guys, this is it. Please, thank you for watching, and I know you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and also for the recipe measurement, visit adasrecipes.com. See you in my next video, loves. Bye.